These tutorials demonstrate how BPM modules can be used to build a rolling historical and forecast financial model of a hypothetical business named Pear Incorporated in 4 simple steps. Before undertaking these tutorials, you should download the zipped folder containing the required files by clicking on the hyperlink below this movie and extract the files from within this zipped folder to your local hard drive. The first step in the model development process is the creation of a new BPM modules project containing historical and forecast business planning modules. Activate the Modules tab and click the New button within the Projects group. Then name the new project Pear Inc. Business Planning Model. Then click the Next button twice to move to the Modules Source tab of the new project wizard. Immediately after installing BPM modules, this tab will contain only the Getting Started module suite as an available source of modules. For Pear Inc., we need a full range of historical and forecast business planning modules, so we're going to download a business planning module suite from the BPM website. Click the Download button to load the Download Modules dialog box. This dialog box is identical to the Downloads page within the BPM website and provides access to all the module suites available on the BPM website from within Microsoft Excel. For the Download Modules dialog box to work, you must be connected to the internet and your firewall settings must allow BPM modules to access the BPM website. Otherwise, you will need to use your browser to download module suites directly from the BPM website. Pear Inc. is a large American company, so we want to filter the available module suites accordingly. Click the Show Filters button and then set the region to United States, developer to best practice modeling, file type to module suites, and time series to annual historical and forecast. For Pear Inc., the most suitable module suite is the module suite named Business Planning Corporate with Sales Tax. Select this module suite and click the Download button to copy this module suite to your local hard drive and add it to the list of files available within the Module Source tab of the new Project Wizard dialog box. Ensure that the downloaded module suite is selected and then click the Next button to move to the Modules tab of the new Project Wizard. By default, the business planning module suites available on the BPM website have been set up such that, if the Create button is clicked without changing anything, the balance sheet within the newly created project will always balance when assumptions are entered. The currently selected module suite contains 74 different modules, many of which are similar modules with different functionalities. For example, revenue calculated based on amount assumptions versus revenue calculated based on growth rate assumptions. Modules can always be inserted, deleted and customized after the project is created, so for now, the default modules will be inserted. Click the Create button to create the new project. The new Project Wizard dialog box will show the project creation progress as each module is inserted. The resulting project will be a rolling annual historical and forecast financial model. Verify the inclusion of the modules within the newly created project by activating the Modules tab and clicking the Project Manager button within the Management group. The modules within the project will be displayed in the Workbook Composition panel of the Project Manager. Note that the new project contains a full range of modules grouped into 10 module areas which, with the exception of the Time Series and Checks module areas, each represent a different area of the business planning model. The Financial Statements module area includes a Historical Financial Statements module which will be used to collect Pear Inc.'s historical income statement and balance sheet data, while the remaining non-Time Series non-Checks modules are used to forecast the revenues, expenses, assets, liabilities, equity and cash flows of Pear Inc. and present these projections in forecast financial statements. Close the Project Manager dialog and save the active project as Pear Inc. Business Planning Model.bpp using the Excel Save command.